Hello friend, are you trying to use the BioMart tool and are unable to browse or use the tool in your system? So today I am going to show you how you can fix this problem. For this, I searched the BioMart at Google and open the BioMart Ensembl, the first link, and you can see if I select the BioMart tool in the Ensembl, it is not responding or working properly here. So how we can fix this problem? So for this, right click and select the copy link address, and I'm going to open a new window and paste it in the browser. And in my case it is showing the region Asia, but maybe in your case it is showing different. But still, if you are facing this problem, remove the region from the web link and press enter. Now you can see BioMart tool is open and you can use according to your requirement. So in this way you can solve this problem of BioMart tool and perform your data analysis very easily at the BioMart tool. And I hope this will be helpful for you if you are facing this problem. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.